In today's video, I will walk you through how to create list of pros and cons in ChatGPT. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. One of the most useful things you can do with ChatGPT is ask it to break down the pros and cons of different topics. This is extremely helpful when you are comparing products, services, ideas, or even personal decisions, and want the information organized clearly in one place. For example, let's say you are trying to decide between buying a griller or an electric griller. Instead of opening multiple websites and reading through long articles, you can ask ChatGPT to compare both options for you and explain the advantages and disadvantages of each one. What makes this useful is how organized the response can be. ChatGPT can separate everything into categories so the information is easier to read and understand. In this example, it may begin with normal griller, explain the pros first, then move into the cons afterward. After that, it can switch to electric griller and repeat the same format. This kind of structure saves a lot of time because the information is already sorted for you. You do not need to manually organize notes or figure out which details belong under advantages or disadvantages. Everything is presented in a clean format that is easy to scan through quickly. Another important thing to know is that ChatGPT is very flexible with how it displays information. You are not limited to one style of answer. If you want shorter summaries, you can ask for shorter summaries. If you want more detailed explanations, you can ask it to expand further. You can also request side-by-side comparisons, simplified explanations for beginners, or formatted lists depending on what works best for you. This becomes especially useful when doing research before making a decision. You can use it to compare technology products, business ideas, travel destinations, workout routines, learning methods, and many other topics. A helpful tip is to be specific with your request. Instead of asking for a general comparison, explain exactly what you want ChatGPT to focus on. For example, you could ask it to compare options based on cost, comfort, maintenance, energy efficiency, or long-term value. The more detail you provide in your prompt, the more focused and useful the response becomes. You can also ask ChatGPT to simplify the explanation if the topic feels too technical or difficult to understand. This can make researching unfamiliar subjects much easier, especially for beginners. Overall, creating lists of pros and cons in ChatGPT is one of the fastest ways to gather organized information and compare multiple options in seconds without spending hours researching everything manually.